know why it took me so long. You left to Arizona, I stayed in California.
Hey, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Mikey, and yes, we're doing a video that I feel like has been kind of long overdue. Mike, why haven't you reviewed a Yeezy 350 yet? What's wrong with you? Why don't you have a Yeezy 350? And all these questions keep popping up, and I'm like, hey man, that is expensive, bro. There's not a whole lot of Yeezys that you can really find below retail. But also, I mean, there's a lot of fakes out there, so I really feel uncomfortable buying Yeezys most times because there's a lot of fake pairs that actually look like the real pair, but they're really not. So that's been kind of a juggle with me, but I actually did get a legit pair of Yeezys. These are mostly being personal, not really for resale, so let's just get right into this real fast for y'all. I don't know if you guys can see it. It might look reversed on the other end, but hey, this is the 350 box right here. You already know you got the size and label and everything right here for you. I'm size 9.5, and you got the lettering back here. And like I said, you already have the 350 right on top. Bam. Now you're probably already wondering, Mike, why did you already lace these up? Why did I lace these up? Like I said, these are personal pairs, so I'm not planning to resell these. At least I don't think so, but I'm really happy with this pair. It's super clean. I really like the colorway. It's nothing too crazy, nothing too much. It's very subtle. It's just gray and just like an eggshell beige or off-white color, however you want to say it. But yes, the colorway that these are called are the Lundmarks. There's two other colorways that were regionally exclusive, this being the Americas, so it's the USA, Canada, Mexico, and South America. So this particular was exclusive to those areas. There's two more other colorways I can't remember. I think those, the Antlias and the Synths, however you pronounce them, I don't really remember. And this colorway was inspired by, honestly, I don't know. I just know it has something to do with moons. But other than that, I think it's a pretty okay, decent concept. I mean, I guess the grayish kind of looks like a moon, and the yellow kind of looks like, you know, I guess, you know, the craters of the moon. I don't know. You already know, but you know, you got the top over here looking like the stacks a little bit, but it is an eggshell kind of colorway, so you kind of tell by a little difference. Maybe not on camera, but in person you could tell a difference. And you know, you got the midsole right here. You have the boost technology through the translucent cage and everything, and you have the bottoms right here, which kind of looks like a gum sole, but not really. It's like a lighter brownish tan, and you have the boost technology right here on the bottom for you guys. So this is usually how I tie my shoes. They are kind of loose and everything because I don't like shoes that are really very snug to my foot. Also, I don't feel like having to bend down to tie my shoes every time. That's just something I'm not with. So sizing on these, I would recommend probably going half size up because they do fit a bit snug around the toe box area, but because of the material that they used on these, I feel like it may stretch over time, so I wouldn't really worry too much about that. But if you do have the chance to try them on, like I say in every video, go and do so, and let's see what size fits you better. I got these true to size. These are 9.5. They do fit a bit snug on my toe box, but like I said, the material, it might stretch over time just like Ultra Boost did, and it'll feel perfect to my foot. In my opinion, a lot of people were kind of tripped out about these pairs because it does not have a heel tab on these. Now, in my opinion, I kind of feel like it makes it look sleeker a little bit. It's nothing too much. I feel like it looks kind of good like without it. But at the same time, I do kind of miss the heel tab. The heel tab kind of gave it a more sportier look. But it is what it is. Yeezy did what he had to do, and hey, I don't think it looks that bad. You have the insole right here for you guys. It says Yeezy Adidas. I don't know if you can see that, but yes, it does have the Adidas Yeezy insole logo on it. These are kind of like my first Yeezys that I'm keeping for personal reasons. You don't see me a whole lot in Yeezys. I don't think people really have seen me in Yeezys that often. I've only worn Yeezys maybe about 2 or 3 times in my whole entire life. Yeah, this will be personal, and I probably will be wearing these a lot more often. And if you also don't know that the laces are 3M hints, the heel right here is 3M as well. But these are not the reflective pair. Let me say that one more time. These are not the reflective pair. If I were to get the reflective pair, it would cost a little bit more than what I paid for it. Probably $200, $300 more. But overall, I don't think the shoe looks that bad. I like the shape of the shoe. And hey, it's a Yeezy. I'm gonna wear these out a little bit more, and hopefully, you know, don't look bad on my feet. You just have to, you know, gotta do it to them on the Instagram, you know how we rockin'. But yeah, I think that pretty much sums up my video. I hope you guys really like me doing these type of videos. If you do, smash that like button. And also, if you want more content being brought to you, there's also a subscribe button down below. Click that, and also ring the bell to get notified whenever I come out with a video or update or whatever the case may be. So yeah, I'm gonna shoot the on videos for you guys real fast, and yeah, let's see how these look. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
What do I mean to you these days? You don't text me back for days. What can make you act this way? Boy, you change.
Man, I hate when you respond to me, but I hate when you respond to me. Kissy faces and emojis in my message feeds. When you reread all these texts, you might be mad at me. So when I say I hit you back, might be in a couple weeks. Sorry that I ain't picked up the call, but might say something dumb right when you call. So I'ma just keep staring at a wall and pretend like I ain't see your name at all. Yeah, these girls don't play, they gon' get it either way. Any night or any day, all they wanna do is slay. Pulling up in all armor, all up in a dragon's face. Why you tryna be Prince Charming and a damsel in the strait? All these guys just do is play you, then just press resume so they don't ever have to save you. But your game is so amazing, I just probably never play.